Hey everybody, I want to solve this equation right here, and to solve any equation what we should first do is see if we can combine like terms on either the left or the right side of the equation. And here we see we can do that. We can combine the 3x minus 7x. We can put those two together. We know that 3x minus 7x is negative 4x. We get our plus 59 is equal to, here we still have 3x plus 31. Now we have x's on both sides, and we need to get all the x's either onto the left or onto the right. It doesn't really make any difference. One rule of thumb, though, is to put the x's on whichever side has more of them. Well, here I've got a negative 4x, here I've got a positive 3x, so there's more x's over here than here. So with that rule of thumb, what I would do is add 4x to both sides so that all of the x's end up here on the right. So we do that, we end up with the 4x and the negative 4x cancel here. So we have 59 is equal to, add these two together now, I got 7x plus 31. Alright, now we've got all the x's on one side, but I want to isolate the 7x. I can do that by subtracting 31 from both sides to make that 31 go away over here. Then that means here on the left side, 59 minus 31 is going to be 828 equals 7x. Finally, the last thing to do, we want to get x by itself, but right now we have 7 times x. So to make that 7 go away, I'm going to divide both sides by 7. And 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. X equals 4 is the solution. Alright, I've got another one right here. I'm going to solve this equation. We'll do the same thing. Take the same exact approach. First, look on both sides of the equation and see if there's anything we can combine. On the left side, I've got 2x, and here a minus x. Notice I'm including the sign with the term. This negative goes with the x. So when I take 2x, combine it with a negative x, think of it as just 2x, take away 1x. Well, 2x minus 1x is x. Read down the plus 5 is equal to, same thing here, I've got 7 and a minus 6. The negative goes with the 6. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So I've got 1 plus 3x. Alright, once again I have x on both sides. I've got 1x over here, 3x is over here. Using that rule of thumb, let's move the x's to where they are, to the side that already has the most. So subtract x from both sides. That means I'm going to have a 5 over here, and over on the right I'm going to have 1 plus, well, 3x minus 1x is 2x. Almost there. Now I've got 1 plus 2x. I want to get the 2x all by itself, so I need to move this 1 over to here. I'll do that by subtracting 1 from both sides. 5 minus 1 is 4 is equal to, and then over here I just have 2x. Alright, we're almost there. I've got 2 times x, and I want to have just x by itself. So I'm going to divide this side by 2 and this side by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And here, oops, that's not what I meant. I said one thing, I think, and I wrote another. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Here the 2's cancel, so I just have x. So the solution to this one is x equals 2.